Hi everyone, myself Kanagaraju Veldi, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Warangal Institute of Technology. Welcome to WITS Connect. In earlier calls, already we discussed introduction of design of machine elements subject. Okay, actually in last sem, in this design of machine elements subject divided to two two parts. One is design of elements 1, another one is design of elements 2. Okay, in last step already we discussed design of machine elements 1. Okay, in this design of machine elements 1 we discuss shafts, what are the transmission elements are there. In this design of elements we discussed, we learn what are the machine elements are there, what are the machine elements are there, what are the specifications, how to design machine elements. We learn these all those things. In design of machine elements 1 we discussed the shafts, transmission elements, shafts, next coming to the next couplings, joints, like that. Okay, welded joints, couplings, quarter joints, I like that we discussed. And coming to the in this design of machine elements 1, our first important topic is belts. Okay, belts. What is belts? What is belt? What are the uses of belts? We discuss later. Okay, first one is what are the topics are included in this design of machine elements 1. Okay, our first important topic is belts, bearings like clutches, connecting rod, and next what are the brakes are there. Okay, we design these all those elements. What are the applications of these all belts and couplings, all those things. Okay, what are the standard specifications. Okay, next we discuss later. First all of you see here, first important topic is belts. Okay, what is belt, what is uses of belts. Okay, the belts is transmit the power one machine element to another machine element. One machine element is suppose a shaft. I want to transmit this power one shaft to another shaft using pulleys. Okay, let's see here. The belts are used to transmit power from one shaft to one shaft to another shaft. One shaft to another shaft. This is a belt application. Okay, if you transmit the power, like for suppose this is a one shaft to another shaft. This is a one shaft. Okay, this is another shaft. In these shafts there is some difference between these two shafts are there. There's some difference like L. Okay, I want to transmit the power one shaft to another shaft using pulleys, by using pulleys, or one machine to another machine. Okay, like example motor to machine. We transmit the power motor to machine by using pulleys. Like these two are pulleys. Okay, these two pulley 1, pulley 2. Transmit the power one shaft to another shaft using pulleys like this one. This is belts. Okay, to transmit the power one shaft to another shaft. This is a belt. Okay, in this one, like the RPM is like suppose 100 RPM, and this one is like in this pulley diameter is equal to second pulley diameter. Then this is also 100 diameter. Okay, RPM is depending upon diameter of the pulley. Okay, let's diameter of the pulley. Let's diameter like this one is for suppose 50 mm, and coming to the second pulley diameter is like 20 mm or 60 mm, like 20 mm to decrease the RPM. Okay, like above 100 mm, like this one is 100 mm, then RPM is double. Okay, the RPM is the speed of revolution of speed is depending upon diameter of the pulley, and direction is, this is a clockwise direction and this is also clockwise direction. Okay, this is a belt application. Okay, actually what is belt? Belt is majorly used to transmit the power one shaft to another shaft, or one shaft to another machine, one machine to another machine by using pulleys. Okay, and these pull belts are divided some of the types like wheel belt, flat belt, ropes. These are the types we discuss later. Okay, coming to the in this one, and in this one this is a like a slank, side, tight side. Okay, discuss ladder first, and this is also like belts are also divided like two types of open belts and closed belts, belt drives. Okay, belts are divided some of the types. Belt drives, what is difference between belt drives, belt drive, belt? Okay, belt types of belts, this is one of the belt drive. Totally this section is a belt drive. In this belt drive divided two types, one is open belt, closed belt. This is an open belt. Closed belt means like this one. Okay, this is one pulley, this is another pulley, this is centers. Okay, like this one. This cross section of belt is two shafts. This is belt. Totally this is open belt. This one is closed belt. What is the difference between these two belts? Okay, these belt is cross section to each other, Like this one is a clockwise direction, then this is opposite direction. Okay, if you want opposite direction of the power, can use closed belt. Okay, if you want same direction of the power, transmission of the power, then you can use open belt. Okay, these are the belts, and in this belt there are some of the factors are there. Belt factors. The amount of power transmitted depends upon the following factors are there. Okay, like the velocity of the belt. Velocity of the belt is one of the factor, and the tension under which the belt is placed on the pulleys. Belt under placed on the belt, like this is placed on the belt pulleys. Okay, if pulley diameter is less, first driven, this one is driver pulley, and this one is driven pulley. Okay, in this driver driven, okay, power transmitted to this shaft to another shaft. Okay, this driver shaft is consist driver pulley, and driven shaft is consist driven pulley. Okay, and in this factors, the amount of power transmitted depends upon the some of the following factors are there. First factor is velocity of the belt. What is the velocity of the belt? Second one is tension under which the belt is placed on the pulley. Placed on the pulley. Belt placed on the pulley. Next, third one is the arc of contact. The arc of contact between the belt and the smaller pulley. Belt and smaller pulley. This is a bigger pulley and this is smaller pulley. Depending upon the diameter of the pulleys. There are two pulleys. Let's same diameter of the pulley, same power transmission. Okay, difference between pulleys is the different diameter is there, then power transmission also different. Okay, next coming to fourth one, the conditions under which the belt is used. Condition of the uses, like belt. In this belt we are using open belt drive and closed belt drive. Okay, under what is the uses of belt? It transmits the power one place to another place, or one shaft to another shaft. This is one of the application. Okay, these all are factors, some of the factors. Next, coming to the selection of belt drives. Okay, why selection of the belts? Selection of the belts is the most important. Okay, this is in this one, the following various important factors are there. Already we discussed some of the important factors. Depending on selection of belt drives, depending upon factors. Okay, some factors like speed of the driving and driven shafts. Okay, this is driver shaft, this is driven shaft. What are the speed? What are the speed limit? It is dependent selection of material belt drives depending upon driver and driven belts and shafts. Next, speed reduction ratio. What are the speed reduction ratio? Okay. Next, coming to the power to be transmitted. Power to be transmitted. Some of the belt drives are limited to power speed transmitter, like 100 rpm, 1000 rpm. This is the limit. Okay, this is depending upon power to be transmitted. Next, coming to the center distance between the shafts. First of all, already we discussed this center distance. Center distance RC. Center distance between one shaft to another shaft is denoted by CRL, capital L. Okay, what are the center distance? If you want to transmit the power 1 meter length, center distance of the two shafts, let's we are using depending upon this length belt. Okay, understood. This one is the center distance between the shaft. This is the selection of the belt drives. Okay, next coming to the, let's see, selection of belt drives. Okay, briefly. Okay, selection of belt drives. First one is it is follow depending upon some of the factors. First one is speed of the driving and driven shaft. What is the speed of the driving and driven shaft? N1, N2. Okay, this is a N1 and 2. Okay, depending upon driving and driven shaft. Next, speed reduction ratio. Speed reduction ratio. What is the speed reduction ratio? Okay, is considered. This is also some of the factor. Okay, next, power to be transmitted. Power to be transmitted, like power to be transmitted one shaft to another shaft, or one shaft to another machine element, and anything. Okay, that is one. And center distance between the shaft, like this is the first driver pulley and driven pulley. What is center distance between these two pulleys and these two shafts, like C or L? Okay, L. Okay, see here, this is driver and this is driven pulley, and this is a belt. Okay, overall belt. Okay, in this belt, one side is slant side, another side is tight side. Okay, and in this one, open belt. This is open belt, clockwise direction, and this is also clockwise direction. Okay, next, velocity 1 of the driver shaft is velocity 1. Velocity 1 and driven shaft velocity 2. Okay, in this one, center distance between the shafts, these are two shafts, center distance is C. Okay, if center distance is 1 meter, we want to design a belt depending upon length, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meters. Next, positive drive requirements. What are the positive drive requirements? What are the requirements? Like if the pulley is diameter is above the driver pulley, let's and width of the pulley, depending upon belt sizes, is positive drive requirement. What are the requirements of the drive? Next, shafts layouts. What is shafts layout? Shafts layouts types of shafts are different. V type belt and flat belt and ropes. These are some of the important types of belts depending upon layout of the belts. Next, shaft and layout of the shafts also. Next, space available and service conditions. What are the space availability? Like if see any engine, any automobile engines are there, there is space, is less space are there. But center distance between two shafts is less. Then we are using depending upon this length between the two shafts. That is also. Next, service conditions. What are the service conditions are there? Like belts compared to chains, gears, belts. These all are power transmitting elements. Compared to chains, this is service conditions are maintenance is less. That's why we are using belts. And weight of the belt also less compared to chain and gears. That's why we are using belts only. Okay. Some of the applications we are using chains and gears also. But compared to gears, chains, this one is one of the disadvantage is lack of slip. Lack of slip and efficiency is less compared to gears and chains. Okay, this is a selection of belt drives. Okay, coming to the next. Okay, students, coming to the types of belt drives. Okay, in this following belt drives are divided depending upon speed. Okay, let's see. First one is a light belt drive. In this light belt drive is depending upon speeds like light belt drive, medium belt drive, heavy belt drive. In this light belt drive, up to 10 meter per second speed. Up to 10 meter per second speed we are using light belt drive. Okay, if speed is 10 meter per second, then we are using light belt drive. Next, medium belt drive. In this medium belt drive, 10 meter per second to 22 meter per second speed. We are using medium belt drives. Let's heavy belt drive. In this heavy belt drive, about 22. First medium light belt drive is up to 10 meter per second. Medium belt drive 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second. Heavy belt drive about 22 meter per second. We dividing depending upon speed. There are three. Followings are three. One is light belt drive, medium belt drive, heavy belt drive. First one is up to 10 meter per second. Second one, medium belt drive is 10 meter per second to 22 meter per second speed, and heavy belt drive is above 22 meter per second. These are types of belt drives. Types of belts. Okay, in these types of belts divided three types. Like so first one is depending upon these types of belts, shape of the belt. First one is a flat belt. First one, flat belt. Second one is a V belt. Third one is a circular belt. Or rope. We know that rope. Okay, these three are most important types of belts. First one is a flat belt, V belt, circular belt. And what is flat belt? Let's see. Flat belt is like this is a pulley, like pulley, flat pulley. In this one, flat belt is like this. This is flat. This is called a flat belt. In this flat belt, the flat belt is mostly used in factories and workshop vary a moderate amount of power. Vary a moderate amount of power is to be transmitted from one pulley to another pulley. This one is this application we are using flat belt. When the two pulleys are not more than 8 meters apart. When the pulleys 8 meters, not more than. When the pulleys not more than 8 meters. 8 meters. We have to maintain 8 meters. We are using flat belts. Okay. Next, coming to the V belts. Flat belt shape is like that. This is a flat belt. Flat belt. Okay. Coming to the V belt. In this V belt diagram is like this. V belt pulley is V shape of pulley is there. Okay. In this one, we are using also V belt like this. Okay, this is pulley. In this one, pulley V belt. This one, pulley flat belt. This is a V belt. Okay, understood. Okay, in this belt, V belt, we are using V-shaped belt. Okay, like a V-shaped belt. In this one, the V belt is mostly used in factories. This is also used in factories, workshops, where a great amount of power is to be transmitted. Great amount of power to be transmitted like that above 8 meters. Above 8 meters length of the power we want to transmit the one shaft to another shaft. We are using V belts. Okay, in this one, above 8 meters we are using V belts. Above 8 meters we are using 8 meters. Then more near to the each other. Like two pulleys are very near to each other. Like near to each other. Like this one is center distance between one pulley to another pulley 8 meters. Center distance. We are using flat belt. But below 8 meters each other, near to each other, like one pulley, another pulley, near to each other, less than 8 meters, we are using V belt. Okay. Next, circular belt rope. Circular belt rope. Already we know that rope. What is rope? We are using in our water facilities like circular belt rope is mostly used in the factories and the workshop, house needed solely houses also. Very great amount of power is to be transmitted from one pulley to another pulley. When the two pulleys are more than 8 meters, we are using in this one 8 meters up to 8 meters, not more than 8 meters or up to 8 meters, and in this one below 8 meters we are using near to both pulleys. We are using V belt, and more than 8 meters, okay, we are using circular belt ropes. Okay, these are most important three types. One is a flat belt, V belt, circular belt, or ropes like this. This is pulley, and this is rope or circular belt. Pulley, circular belt, or a rope. Okay, these are the types of belts. Coming to the next topic. Okay, coming to the next topic.